Hi everybody! I'm going to show you a practical life work called towel folding. So this is a good one to do because then your child can take responsibility by helping you fold towels when you do laundry. All you need, I took an old kitchen towel and I cut it up into little squares, and then I drew the fold lines on there with a Sharpie on both sides. Ideally you would sew these on so that the child can feel where the lines are. But if you're like me and you don't have a sewing machine, then this will work. So there's 4 basic different kinds of folds, and you just present probably the first 2 if they're a toddler or a younger preschooler. But you just trace the line like this. And then you'd set it aside. So the next one is a diagonal fold. So we would show them that one. And then it gets into a 2-fold, right? And finally the last one is diagonal with 2 folds. So I just put those together on a tray, and I would present it to the child like that. So I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.